Everyone knows the old engagement model: diagnose, build the plan, hand off the deck, roll off. But clients now want more. They need help well past execution to ensure the improved performance sticks and they're prepared for the future. That's a real opportunity for follow-on work, but it stretches your firm 3 ways at once. First, your pipeline outgrows the consultants you can put on site. Second, your methodology has to stay intact without consultants on site. And third, clients now judge you on impact realized, not advice delivered. So how do you meet all 3 without simply adding bodies that the client won't pay for? Start by looking at the engagement the way your clients experience it, as a continuous life cycle. It begins with the diagnostic, where you set the baseline, size the opportunity, and agree on targets. Then execution, where initiatives, impacts, and milestones turn into captured value. Then validation, where benefits get verified and finance signs off. Then ongoing monitoring with live KPIs and control towers. And then re-engagement, where new waves of value pull the client back into execution. Today, most firms are present for the first 2 phases and gone for the rest. Here's the first step we've taken to fix that. Our platform, Shibumi, dynamically supports the 3 ways your firm delivers. In a full-service engagement, your consultants lead a high-touch transformation, and Shibumi digitizes your methodology end-to-end. In a hybrid engagement, your consultants focus on the highest value moments, while the platform sustains the rhythm between visits and surfaces risk. And in a programmatic subscription, the client runs your methodology day to day, while your team monitors through AI and intervenes only on threshold events. Now watch what happens when you map those models against the lifecycle. In full service, you run the program, and Shibumi acts as the operating system underneath it. In hybrid, the cadence is shared, with your consultant stepping in at the key milestones. In programmatic, the client executes the plan while your team has full transparency into the exact same data. The progression here is the point. As engagements move from consultant-led to client-owned, Shibumi shifts from a system of record into a system of intelligence. It connects with Jira, BI, ERP, and HR systems for continuous monitoring, with your methodology running live inside the client instead of sitting in a slide deck. Here's where it gets exciting. Built-in AI recommends ideas during the diagnostic, drafts status updates during execution, pre-screens benefit evidence during validation, and flags at-risk programs before they ever reach a steering committee. Your partners and clients can ask questions in plain language and get answers that cite live data, and it detects value decay and white space that justify the next wave. This is how one consultant now covers what used to take a team. Step back and 3 outcomes compound. First, you scale the practice without scaling headcount. Second, you protect and propagate your firm's IP. And third, you earn the right to re-engage through AI-powered live monitoring that keeps you present, with leading indicators that prompt new conversations. In practice, we co-develop a digitized version of your methodology. We pilot it with a flagship client across all 5 phases, and then we scale it across your book, from full service to programmatic. This is how leading partners turn proven methodology into lasting client value. The kind clients can see, finance can verify, and your firm gets credit for long after the original deck is delivered. That's the opportunity. It's a meaningful competitive advantage for any firm that builds it first.